Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious radish and carrot pickle. First, thoroughly wash and peel your radishes and carrots. Then, slice them into thin, uniform pieces, about 1/8 inch thick. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over the sliced vegetables and mix well. Let them sit for about 30 minutes. This step helps draw out excess water, ensuring a crispier pickle. This simple preparation is key to a great result. Next, let's prepare the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color and spice. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. Ensure the sugar fully dissolves, creating a perfectly balanced pickling liquid for your vegetables. Now it's time to bring everything together. First, thoroughly drain your salted radish and carrot slices, pressing out any remaining liquid. This step is crucial for a crisp texture. Carefully pack the drained vegetables tightly into a clean, sterilized jar. Pour the warm brine over the vegetables, making sure they are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and let it cool completely at room temperature before refrigerating. Once cooled, refrigerate your sealed pickle jar for at least 24 hours before enjoying. The flavors will deepen and meld beautifully over the next 2 to 3 days. This delicious radish and carrot pickle can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks, maintaining its crispness and tangy taste. Serve it as a vibrant side dish or a zesty topping to elevate your favorite meals. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.